to from here?
It's right back there in the corner over there.
Was that the elevator?
Yeah, that's the elevator. So far, we've got a gentleman named Ben who's talked to us. We have a gentleman named Ian, Nick. We just had someone named Kevin come through and tell us that he was burned. So we're not sure if he was burned by that or some other way. But that's so far all we've got so far. Now, what I do is I run the Spirit Box. I don't know if any of you know what the Spirit Box is. Spirit Box, if you've seen on ghost shows, what it does is it sweeps the AM and FM dial, and it sweeps it at 1.3 milliseconds as it scans. So what they say is that ghosts are able to use that and be able to speak in that electromagnetic, be able to speak through the spot. So you'll get answers. And what I want you to do when we get this going, I'm going to play it across my speaker here after we turn off the lights and we'll get it going. Sorry about that. That's all right. Actually, I'm going to have all of you move back around over here because this is where the laser grid, and we actually caught a few shadows.
What does that look like?
What's that?
If you catch a shadow, it's overtaking the
No,
green dots?
it just distorts the laser grid.
Oh, wow.
Oops, sorry about that. So, I want you to ask questions. When I play this, I want you to listen. If you hear something, shout it out. If you hear a yes, no, because everybody will hear something different, okay? And I wanted to hear what you guys think.
Oh, it's coming out of that?
It's not coming out, it's going to come out of here.
Okay.
But it's going to come through this right here. So, I'll fix it. I didn't even know you were back there. All right.
If we can't have you scoot over just a hair towards him,
Yep.
because this laser grid here.
Yeah. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and start this and it's going to move backwards. And you're going to hear it on the speaker. What you hear. Let me see if I can get some of the speaker. Kevin, are you still here with us? Kevin, you said you were burned earlier. How did you get burned? Ian, are you back with us? Ian, did you know Kevin? How many spirits are with us now?
Two or three.
You heard it, 2 and 3?
Yeah.
Yes, it did. Every once in a while, if you watch out on the floor right here, you'll see a ripple that seems to be going from that room and comes around to the other room. And what it does is like